Hey guys, this is Eric. I'm with Summit City Rental, the Uplighting nationwide experts here. Hey, we just wanted to give a quick update because we've updated our process to make it more convenient for you, make it more affordable for the shipping service, and all the way around. So first off, when you open your box, you're going to find an information packet like this. This information packet is super helpful. One, it includes your return label on it. Two, it gives you instructions on how to work the Uplights. And three, it contains your order details. So the first part is just our guarantee, kind of just a little nice postcard attached to it. The next part is your instructions, how to unpack the Uplights, how to set the Uplights, and how to return them. So it makes it really helpful with that. The next one is your actual order, how many Uplights you guys received. And then the third one is your return label. So it's actually attached, it's just a half a sheet of paper. It's already got stickiness paper to it. So you just take it off and then it will actually be sticky and everything, and you just put that on top of the original shipping label, and then you just drop that off. On that sticky paper, it will tell you if it's going to go to FedEx or UPS, so just please check it out. We use different carriers depending on where you're at, which warehouse it's coming out of and stuff like that. So I hope that was helpful to you. We're going to do another video where we're going to show you what's inside the box to help you out and everything. So stay tuned, check it out. Hey guys, this is Summit City Rental, the Uplighting Rentals company. We're just going to do a quick overview of the wireless uplight rentals. Super convenient. You can charge them before the event date, and then you can set them up anywhere with no plugging them in at all. So we're going to go through a quick view of how this works. One, you want to open your box. Once you receive it, this is what the box will look like. Once you open it, you'll see instructions here. This is always going to be included. It's going to include your little postcard, directions on how to set the uplight color. It's going to include an order of where it's being shipped to. And then it's going to include your return label inside also. So this is going to be the actual return label right here. So you want to make sure you keep that and put it off to the side in a safe place area. So as you can see, it's just two uplights and then a piece of foam. They do come with their own power cords because there's an internal battery built in. And here's the difference. A wireless uplight's going to have the on and off right here. So once you turn it on, it's going to come up here. And then once we give it a few seconds, it will actually go show us of how far along the battery is charged. We always encourage you to charge them once you receive them. So that way you're at a full charge of the uplights. But this one you can see is starting to get low on battery. So we're going to turn that off. But we'll turn this one on just to see how far this one is up. And you can tell it's low because it only had one dash. If it has 4 dashes, that means it's a full charge. So this one's a full charge, as you can see right here. Sometimes what happens though is these will actually turn on during shipping because they just get stacked right on top of each other. So we just want to make sure we go through it. So we're going to turn that off. But like I said, you get two power cords. Let's pull these two out. And then you'll have another two. And once again, you have the on and off switches and everything like that. So, but let's say you're getting ready to pack them up. You just put the two on top of the piece of foam. Put the foam down. We like to have them face down towards the foam. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and box this up. You're going to put a piece of tape on there. UPS or FedEx will provide tape if you don't have any. And then you just put your return label, free return label, right on the top right there. You drop it off to UPS or a FedEx location. Just look at the label and it will tell you which one it is. And that's it. That's how super easy this is. That's how they come. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.